Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making burger stuffed with cheese, and it's also known as the Juicy Lucy burger that was invented in Minnesota, where I'm from. Let's get started. We have here some ground beef, 80-20, and we're going to open it up real quick. First thing what we're gonna do is make a couple balls first. I would say around 2-inch diameter. There's one. It can be a little bit bigger than 2 inches, it's fine. And today we're making 2 burgers. Make sure they're nice and round and tight. Okay. Wash my hands real quick. The next thing what we're going to do is flatten them. So we're going to take this wax paper, or any parchment paper will work just fine. And then we're going to put the other paper on top. I'm going to put it a little bit over here. Actually, let's move this over here. There you go. Then you're going to take a pan, or whatever you have, and then we're just going to flatten it. There you go. We want it to be around a 1/4 inch thick, and if it breaks apart just a little bit, it's fine. You just fix it a little bit. There you go, that's one. Put that on the side. Let's do the other 3. Last one. There we go. Now we have our patties. Let's form it a little bit better. Looking good. Then we're going to take some cheese. I have here American cheese. You can put whatever cheese you like. We're just going to fold it into quarters. This, and just put it in the center. Take it, fold it, quarters, put it in the center. You know what? I think I want just a little bit more cheese. I'm just going to do one more. Fold it. Well, I'm going to split this in half and put it on top. There you go. The next thing what we're going to do is add some barbecue sauce. It's my favorite barbecue sauce. You should give it a try. We're just going to put some on top. There you go. Spread it out a little bit. There we go. Then you take the other patty and put it on top. And then you just close it up. Okay, looking good. You want to season it last, just so that the 2 patties stick together better. Okay, we cover it. I'm trying to make sure that it's sticking together real good. There we go. Okay, now we're set. And now we're gonna season the burger. Okay, first thing we're gonna add is some sea salt. Turn it over, do the same thing. Next thing we're going to add is some garlic powder. And lastly, some black pepper. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is add some olive oil. Okay. Okay, we're set. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer 380 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Now let's put in the burgers. Okay, before we put in the burgers, we're going to spray some olive oil. Then we're going to put in the burgers. And then we're going to put some onions in there. Cook them up a little bit. Some raw onions. There we go. Okay, let's put them in. Okay, we're going to set the time to 16 minutes at 380 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. And let's flip the burgers. Oh boy, looking good. Flip them over. There you go. And now we're set, and we're going to put it in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Whew, smells really good. There we go. We have the buns here. We have 2 slices of butter on each bun. And we're just gonna wipe down the air fryer real quick. Okay. There we go. And now we're just gonna put in the buns. Okay, we're gonna put it in there and let it toast. We're gonna put it at 350 degrees for 3 minutes. Let's start. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, and let's take them out. Looking good. It's toasted. First thing we're gonna do is add some lettuce. Then we're gonna add some tomatoes. Now the burger. Oh, whoops, almost forgot the onions. nicely toasted too, and there we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Juicy Lucy burger made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's open one up. Here we go. Thanks for watching.